Have you ever wondered how velvet cake is made? If you have and you've always wanted to make a moist, tasty velvet cake, stick around. I'm going to show you a step-by-step process of how to achieve the moist, tastiest velvet cake that you're seeing on the screen. So to start us off, we'll start by mixing our dry ingredients, and in this case we'll start by sifting our wheat flour. So I'll be using 2.5 cups of wheat flour. So make sure you sift. By now you should be knowing that sifting the flour is a very important process in baking your cake. Then we'll use 2 tablespoonfuls of cocoa powder. Also, we're going to be adding 1 tablespoonful of baking soda. Add a pinch of salt. And then you're also going to add some baking powder, like 1 tablespoonful of baking powder. After you have all those dry ingredients together, use your spatula and go in and give it a good mix, making sure that everything is well mixed and they blend into each other pretty well. In a different bowl, we're going to be adding 1.5 cups of sugar. Then we'll add our butter or margarine. Then give those to a good mix. You can use your hand mixer or just mix it with your hands, making sure that they're well incorporated. After that is set and done, we're going to be adding our eggs. I'll be using 2 eggs in this case, and give it a good mix too into the butter and sugar mixture. So make sure you mix those two pretty well. Like I said, you can use just your hand. You don't have to use a mixer for that. So you can use your spatula just to scoop the edges and make sure that everything is well mixed. Then use 1 cup of vegetable oil. Add your red food coloring and 1 cup of buttermilk into the mixture. And then you mix everything together. Our red velvet cake mixture is coming along. I love the coloring. So when it comes to food coloring, you can just decide to put as much as food coloring as you want. So when the food coloring mixed with the cocoa, they bring that good blend that you see in the velvet cake. So give that a good mix, and that now is what we have as our wet ingredient. And then now you bring your dry ingredients and start mixing them together with the wet ingredients. Just use your spatula and give it a good mix. So mix it well, making sure that everything blends in pretty well, like you see there. In this case, you don't have to use like an electric machine. You can just use like your spatula and make sure everything is well blended. After you have that mixed in and you feel like everything looks good and the consistency is good, that is when now you start to see that there's some light at the end of the tunnel. Your cake is coming along now. So just give it mixing well, but don't over mix, but make sure everything is just well blended. You see my daughter there trying to taste the batter. It's like, looks good, give me a taste. So she's trying to taste it. The other one also wants to taste. Now I already have my baking tins prepped, and I'll use 2 baking tins. I'll go in and add to each of the baking tin, and then I'll go in to the butter will go into the oven, and it's gonna bake for 350 degrees 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 150 to 175 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 40 minutes, or when until you put a toothpick into your cake and your cake looks good. Our cake is ready, and now we're just gonna add the cream on top, because what is velvet cake without the cream? So just add your buttercream on top of it, and that will be, voila, our red velvet cake is now ready. So there's no formula to doing this. It doesn't have to be fancy. It doesn't have to be like all smooth. No, just take your cream and just put it on your velvet cake, and that is done. You see, for my cake that it's not that smooth, it's not that fancy, but what matters is the taste on the inside. So when you cut that cake, guys, it's so tasty and so soft and moist. So if you've watched up to this point, kindly consider liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel. That's just a way of supporting me and showing some love. And guys, keep sticking around for more recipes to come. This is the Jessie Bites. Our cake is ready. Just trying to add a little bit of the velvet crumbs on top of it, just to make it look good. And there you have it. Our moist, tasty velvet cake is ready for serving. Our cake is ready for serving, guys. Just stick around and see how it looks on the inside. Everybody is gonna love this cake. So you don't have to be every time you have you want to do dessert, you want to surprise your kids, just try this. Everything is just trying. This is my first time making this cake, and I love the outcome already. It looks good, it looks tasty. It is tasty, not that it looks, it's tasty. So my first time making it, and I love it, and everybody else loved the cake. My kids enjoyed the cake, and everybody else loved it. So guys, try this recipe at home and let me know how it turns out for you. It's very easy. It's I used to think that it's very complicated, but it's very easy. Bye bye. I love you, and God bless you.